Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Is your Wi-Fi dropping out in some corners of your home? Don't be panic. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple setup of the Helpline 300N repeater so you can enjoy strong, stable internet everywhere. Basically, the Helpline 300N wireless repeater is a compact Wi-Fi booster designed to extend the coverage of your existing wireless network. It helps eliminate dead zones, improves signal strength, and provides stable internet access. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, we will discuss the manual method. The manual method is a setup process where you configure a device step by step using a web browser or app, instead of using automatic features like WPS. It allows you to manually select the Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and customize the settings. In the first step, plug the Helpline 300N repeater into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. On your PC, laptop, or smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network, usually named Helpline_300N or similar, without password. On your PC, laptop, or smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network, usually named Helpline_300N or similar, without password. After login, you'll see different modes: router, AP, repeater. Select repeater mode. The repeater will scan and display all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi, SSID, from the list. Type in your home Wi-Fi password correctly, case sensitive. Save/apply settings. The repeater will restart automatically. Wait until LEDs stabilize, takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, check your Wi-Fi list on your device. Connect to your extended Wi-Fi, same name as your router or with _ext. Enter the same Wi-Fi password you use for your main router. Place the repeater in the best spot. Move the repeater to a midpoint between the router and weak Wi-Fi zone. Ensure the repeater gets at least 50% signal from the main router. Now your manual setup is complete. In the next step, we will discuss the WPS setup in detail. If your manual setup fails, then you can try this setup method. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. But remember, you can do this setup only if your extender and router both have WPS button. So let's start the setup process. First step is same as the manual method. Plug the Helpline 300N repeater into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 40 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Find the WPS button on your main router. Press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds, the WPS LED on the router should start blinking. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS, press the WPS button on the Helpline repeater. The WLAN/signal LED on the repeater will blink while trying to connect. After about 20 to 40 seconds, the WLAN/signal LED will turn solid green. This means the repeater has successfully connected to your router. Unplug the repeater and place it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the location still receives at least 2 to 3 bars of Wi-Fi from your main router. Unplug the repeater and place it halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Make sure the location still receives at least 2 to 3 bars of Wi-Fi from your main router. On your phone, laptop, or smart device, connect to the same Wi-Fi network or _ext version if the repeater creates a new one. Test the connection in your weak Wi-Fi spot, it should now be stronger. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our technical expert at 132350733713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Devices help and support. And also stay tuned for such these informative videos.